cooking the strip and my windows is tinted. Let's go. My backseat ain't empty. We just left the Fendi. We getting it all over the place. This is why I need the fam. This is why I need.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annie K. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's been a while since I did a mukbang, and I'm at work and I'm on break, so we're having Taco Bell today. This is a Baja Blast, so my thing is Mountain Dew. I ordered Cool Ranch, a double decker, and seasoned fries. Yeah, Baja Blast. This was $1, and I had the Cool Ranch is Supreme. Yeah. Let's eat. I think I'm a straw. Woohoo. Bro, where's my straw? I know she gave me a straw. I feel like I dropped it. Hold on. Let me get a straw out of here. Let's try this food. Hopefully it's good. It better be good. I haven't had Taco Bell in a while. I'll try this cup. Oh, the fries is cooked. $2.89 for this. They need to do better. I'm not doing that again. All the sauces. It's crazy. I'm not a big taco fan, but because they got new stuff, I want to try it. This is a double decker. Is this one chicken or beef? This one is beef. I think both of them is beef. I need to want my fries. I need to want everything about it. Hold on. Alright, let's try this. We'll try this while it's in the microwave. Hopefully it's still crunchy. Oh, this tastes good. Alright, the fries is warm. Everything is warm. I didn't warm up too much because I don't want to get soggy. But let's try this with fries. Oh, they're good. It's the size though. It's alright. It's good, but it's the size for me. It's starting to be better. Alright, I'm sure y'all my food. This cheese tastes good. I'm not a big cheese person at all, but here it is. Please add a crunch. Good. You see it? I have a little crunch still, but it's good. I didn't want to have a lot. Why is it's breaking apart? Come on, man. Sure. Okay, it says lettuce, tomato, sour cream. This thing is messy. I love the cheese. This is really good. I'll eat it again. Definitely eat it again. Let's go for the double decker. This is a nacho shell in there. Oh, this is good. Oh, I wasn't easy again. Hello. The fries. The fries are good. All the meat falling out of it. Look at that. My meal came out to $12. Cause I had the fries. I wasn't gonna get no fries, but I saw it. I was like, oh. Let's get some fries. Oh, today's Wednesday. Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. It's so good. Is beans in here? It tastes like beans is in there with it. I got the beef. I think beans is in this one. Okay, Taco Bell, I'll see you. I will eat these two again. Oh, I'm gonna try the street chalupa. I want to do that one. Because when I went on TikTok, I see it. People was eating the street chalupa. They fries. I don't even like these fries, but this tastes so good. This is so. I don't know because I'm hungry or what, but this shit hitting. Okay. Their fries is good. It's really good. I'm not putting the cheese in there. What do you do with the cheese?
Hi.
Hello.
What's happening?
Eat your lunch.
You're here early today.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm full. It's good though. Hey y'all, just got home and we stopped at Taco Bell. I was gonna say Burger King, but I'm gonna add it to the video that I did earlier. So I got some nachos. Oh, it's melted. Look at it. Can I see it? It's melted. Just taste it. See that? It's beef nachos. It's sour cream, cheese, tomatoes. I think the onions too. And I bought another Cool Ranch double decker. So that earlier when I ate it, I didn't put no sauce or nothing on there, so I'll put sauce on there now. Oh, the sauce is. Hold on. And I forgot to show y'all earlier that they had the fried beans in the taco. It's like fried beans. There it is. But yeah, I'll put some sauce on it. It's hot sauce. I don't want hot sauce right now. I'm for the Diablo. Both of them is hot though. I ain't get no mild. I don't hot sauce right now, bro. It's too late to be eating hot sauce. No mild sauce. They might give me no mild sauce. And we're gonna do the Diablo. No. It's hot. Hell no. Oh my god. I don't want no hot. That shit is hot. I'm gonna eat myself. It's too hot. The sauce is hot. Alright, I'm gonna get a little piece. Oh my god. Just a little bit. It's hot. So earlier when I ate it, I thought I warmed up too much, but I know I didn't put on too much. So I'm like, where's the crunch of the... Yeah, so I heard the crunch. I didn't really hear the much crunch. So I'm like, where's the crunch? I'm like, let me buy this again. I love this. This is good. I feel like Taco Bell is like the cheapest fast food. Oh my god, look at them. This is good. Okay, so the Baja Blast that I bought in the city was $1. When I came up, when I came to the train just now, it was $2 something or $2 something. I'm like, why is it not $1? Why is it $1 in the city and not in Queens? That don't make no sense. Yeah, this is part of the Y2K menu. I was gonna try the what you call the 7-layer burrito, but it's like I heard there's no meat in there. Now I don't know if you could add meat or not, but it's just I think it's beans, rice. I don't know. Well, it was no meat in there. I'm like, you know what? I'm not even gonna buy that. Actually, this is my favorite thing on the menu. The Cool Ranch is my favorite thing on the menu. This is good too, not gonna lie. Ciao. I'm gonna make this myself. I'm gonna make this myself next time. I ain't buying no drink. I'm not paying. I'm not paying that no $2 for that. And I literally just bought in the city for $1. They're like $2.50. It's more refreshing. This is so good. These tacos. It tastes better when it's. I guess it tastes better when it's hot. You know, it was crazy when I came off the bus. It was warm, and that's when I get back in the house. I don't even feel that warm no more, but whatever. I'm just gonna finish this up. Oh. Put it right back in there. I don't care. I'm not gonna eat tacos like this. First time. Alright, I'm gonna fall. Come on. Don't do that. Have a bite here. Not me giving you a bite and it falls. Like. This is worth the $7. Alright, I'm done. I'm full. So y'all, this is the end of the video. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Just because of the fries. The portion of the fries. For the price, it's It's good, but I need more fries. I thought these are small. I guess that's regular price of small, right? $2 a change. But anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog. I'm gonna end this video right here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.